we have a cool new option from Axial. It is a 1/10 scale trailer, and we're gonna show it to you. It's got an adjustable rest, so you could disconnect it and it rests on the ground. And the hitch is compatible with Axial vehicles, pivot ball, and they also include an extra hitch receiver.
And then drive that
the underside. It is a very sturdy chassis, 4.5 pounds, and it's got optional lights included.
The ramp.
And then there are ramps that are hidden in the underside. Latches right on, very easy, and the width is adjustable. The trailer is pretty big, pretty impressive. It's bigger than what you think. This vehicle is very wide. It's an Endura. Look at that thing go. Very wide axles, capra axles. Fits with room to spare. Tuck in your ramps and you are good to go. We're also gonna have a surprise for you guys with 1/24 scale vehicles.
Okay, now show dismount and mount. No
so
ramp.
The trailer is great for obviously crawlers, but actually more ideal for kind of stock cars, racing cars. But actually understandable, crawlers, you don't need to be taking them on the freeway or the streets. And look at that. Even without the ramp, the crawlers can get on by themselves. It is pretty low.
Okay.
So not a lot of clearance, no suspension.
Go around.
2 wheels, 2 axles on it, more center mounted so you can tilt, but it does sit flat by itself even when not mounted.
And then cross those rocks
on those 4 wheels. 1.5-inch wheels, pretty small tires, and look at that. We are chasing it around and we are testing the connection, the hitch connection, and the pivot ball. How sturdy is it? And it's pretty darn sturdy, confidence inspiring.
And then try to enter the rocks.
Not a lot of ground clearance for the trailer, but hey, why not? It can take a beating. This is a little river, so-called riverbed. It would not roll all the way with a car, but by itself, oh yeah, the crawler can drag it around.
Yeah.
And that crawler is super cool. It's a Toyota that is dialed, bob, and dovetailed. Only upgrade is the tires and wheels, but stock are super capable.
Yeah, needs bigger.
But pretty cool. Another element to add to the hobby. You're geeking out on winches and all the scale stuff, but the trailer is pretty scale as well. And if you have a crawl spot that's pretty far from your vehicle, instead of carrying it around or draining the battery, the drivetrain off your crawler, just tow it. Why not? Come up with a good entrance. And look at that. The Endura crawler, hard body. He's gonna play with the tow vehicle.
There you go.
He's gonna crawl over it. Not bad, huh? Not bad. So here we're gonna test the rigidity, durability, boom, of this trailer. Really good connection. I love it. You can take a beating. It's fully rebuildable too, which is kind of cool with Axial. And like we said, it's got lights. It's hidden. The wiring is hidden. You just need to connect it.
That's cool.
He's so pleased. And finally, here is the promotion from Axial, released about a month ago. And what's really cool is this is just a bigger version of what was released last year, a 1/24 scale trailer. So here it is, the 1/24 scale trailer, $45. It's almost identical how it's set up. And then the 110 scale tailor is $130. Links will be in the description, my friends.